Okay, this is a 6-pin Euro, unnamed brand. I picked it this afternoon, single pin picked it. It took me well over an hour. I've watched the lads on the forum rake a lock open, so I thought, right, let's give it a try. And for that I'm going to use this, I don't know if you can see that, I don't know what you call it, snake rake or whatever, but see what happens. Hopefully I'm not blocking the view of the lock. Done. Now it's a bit frustrating when you think I've spent over an hour trying to open this earlier. Really, if I'd have raked it, it took seconds. Give it another go and just see if it was a fluke or what, but it's so easy. I've managed to bump this lock, I've picked it once and I've raked it twice. Thank you very much.